Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make very popular dish in Bali called Tipat Santok, which is rice cake with some vegetables and peanut sauce. And for make a peanut sauce, here I have roasted peanut, sweet soy sauce, palm sugar, salt, chilies and garlic. And for the condiment, we're going to use prawn crackers and fresh salad. And also here I have a rice cake. If you would like to see the recipe, please check the description. And I'm going to use bean sprout vegetables, spinach, and this is water spinach. So, to begin, I'm going to prepare the vegetable first. Blanch all the vegetables, spinach, water spinach, and bean sprout. And after that, we're going to prepare the sauce. Let's start. Remove any yellow leaves you find and only use the green leaf. I just washed the spinach and I'm going to put aside. And I'm going to heat the water while I'm preparing the water spinach. So I'm going to use half of the water spinach, this much, and I just cut it. Put it aside. And for this I need knife because I'm going to slice it. I just washed the water spinach and I'm going to blanch each vegetable separately about 2 minutes. So we start first with the spinach. Just add a pinch of salt before you add the vegetable. So I have some ice water ready to keep the color of the vegetable. So we just add to the ice water and cool it down. And now I'm going to add bean sprout. I think it's cool enough. We just need to squeeze a little bit and set aside. The bean sprout is ready. I'm not going to put the bean sprout into the ice water, only for the green vegetable. Set aside. Now I'm going to add water spinach. Water spinach is ready. And I'm going to put into the ice water. Give a little squeeze. We already prepared all the vegetable and now we're going to prepare the sauce. And we need 1 garlic, 1 chili, which is I removed the seed earlier, and a pinch of salt, and grind it. You can add more chili if you like, but for me 1 is enough. I'm going to add half cup of roasted peanut and mix together. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of palm sugar, and mix it well. And I'm going to add water from the vegetable, just a little bit. The sauce shouldn't be runny, but if your sauce is too thick, then you can add a little bit more water. For my sauce, and I'm going to add more water. This is the consistency you need for the sauce. Now I'm going to add a splash of sweet soy sauce. The sweet soy sauce add more flavor and make the sauce look darker. Now I'm going to add rice cake. I'm going to use half. I'm going to add half of the vegetable, spinach, bean sprout, water spinach. Mix together. Now it's done and you can plate it. Some brown crackers, little bit of red salad, and a splash of sweet soy sauce. Here we are, Balinese rice cake with some vegetables and peanut sauce. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes and see you next time. Matur suksema!